I bet you didn't know how easy it is to get your passport. Are you dreaming of exotic destinations and exciting adventures? International travel requires a passport. This small booklet is your ticket to exploring the world. Don't worry, getting your passport is easier than you think. This guide will walk you through every step. Let's get started on making your travel dreams a reality. Traveling is exciting. Before you book your trip, you need a passport. A passport is an official document. It lets you enter other countries. Think of it as your international ID card. It proves who you are and that you are allowed to travel. This guide will help you get your passport. We'll cover everything you need to know, from gathering documents to tracking your application. We'll make the process clear and simple. So, are you ready to embark on your global adventure? Let's dive in and get your passport journey started. Know the difference. Before you begin, you need to know if you're a first-time applicant or need a renewal. The process is slightly different for each. Don't worry, we'll break it down for you. If you've never had a passport before, you're a first-time applicant. You'll need to gather all the required documents and apply in person. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. If you already have a passport but it's expired or close to expiring, you'll need to renew it. You might be able to renew by mail, which is super convenient. Knowing whether you need a new passport or a renewal is the first step. It helps you gather the correct documents and follow the right procedures. Let's move on to the next step. Getting your passport requires some paperwork, but don't let that intimidate you. We'll guide you through it. The most important documents are proof of citizenship, identification, and passport photos. Proof of citizenship is crucial. You can use your birth certificate, a previous passport, or a certificate of naturalization. Make sure your documents are original or certified copies. Next, you'll need a valid form of identification, like your driver's license or state-issued ID. This proves you are who you say you are. Finally, you'll need passport photos. These have to meet specific requirements, so get them taken professionally. Many drugstores and post offices offer this service. Now that you have your documents ready, let's talk about application forms. There are two main forms, DS-11 and DS-82. Choosing the right one is essential for a smooth application process. If you're a first-time applicant, you'll need Form DS-11. This form asks for basic information like your name, birth date, and place of birth. If you're renewing your passport, you'll likely use Form DS-82. This form is for renewals by mail and has specific requirements, like your previous passport being in good condition. Remember, choosing the correct form is crucial. If you're unsure which form to use, visit the U.S. Department of State's website or call their toll-free number for assistance. Section 5. Where to apply. Finding a location near you. You've gathered your documents and chosen the right form. Now it's time to apply. You can apply at various locations, including post offices, passport agencies, and acceptance facilities. Many local post offices accept passport applications. This is often the most convenient option. Call ahead to schedule an appointment, as wait times can vary. If you need your passport urgently, you can visit a passport agency. These agencies offer expedited services for an additional fee. Acceptance facilities, like public libraries and county clerk offices, also accept passport applications in some areas. Check online or call ahead to confirm their availability. Section 6. Fees and payment. Budgeting for your passport. Getting a passport does come with fees, so it's essential to budget accordingly. The fees vary depending on whether you're a first-time applicant or renewing and if you need expedited service. For first-time applicants, the fee for a passport book is $165. If you need it quickly, expedited service is available for an additional fee. Renewals typically have a lower fee. If you're eligible to renew by mail, the fee is $130. It's important to note that fees are subject to change. Always check the U.S. Department of State's website for the most up-to-date information on fees and payment methods. Section 7. Tracking your application. Patience is key. Once you've submitted your application, the waiting game begins. Passport processing times can vary, so be patient. You can track your application online through the U.S. Department of State's website. Enter your application date and birth date to check your application status. You'll receive updates on its progress. Remember, passport processing takes time. Routine service can take several weeks, while expedited service can take a few weeks. Plan and apply well in advance of your trip to avoid any issues. Section 8. Passport in hand. Ready for adventure. Congratulations! You've successfully navigated the passport application process. Holding that little booklet in your hands opens up a world of possibilities. Now you're ready to embark on your international adventure. Remember to keep your passport safe and secure. Treat it like the valuable document it is. With your passport in hand, the world is your oyster. Start planning that trip you've always dreamed of. Explore new cultures, taste exotic cuisines, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Safe travels. Don't forget to subscribe to Travel Vet.